What is reality acceptance? Reality acceptance is when you accept the situation you are in and understand that you are not in control of the outcome. This is helpful in times where you are feeling severely distressed. How can you begin to practice reality acceptance? The first step is realizing that you are feeling distressed. Distress is exhibited throughout your body, physically, mentally, and emotionally. You can identify what your body is telling you physically by, for example, noticing a drastic increase in heart rate, and mentally if you notice a lack of attention or confidence, and emotionally, you can recognize these signs if you are feeling an overwhelming emotion such as sadness or anger. Distress comes in many forms, and sometimes the most complex to identify may be mental. You may have diminished attention, concentration, focus, spiraling thoughts, and when you feel easily distracted and that you are disconnected from your body. Sometimes you can also feel yourself overthinking about your past and future, ruminating on stressful moments, fears, losses, and other negative memories that bring your confidence and happiness down. You can also judge, criticize, and question yourself. Some examples would be when you ask yourself, "Why aren't I doing what I need to be doing?" Or, "What's wrong with me?" These are all ways you can identify when you are in distress. Reality acceptance is when you identify some of these signs and make a conscious effort to accept the fact that the situation is beyond your control and you need to accept what is going to happen. Allowing yourself to calm down and go with the flow of things can be a great technique and tool that you can use to center yourself again. Having emotions and being upset is completely normal, but using techniques to bring yourself back to a sense of calmness is an important tool to not feel overwhelmed. What steps should you take in these situations? The first step would be to accept how you are feeling in your body, mind, and emotions, and to also accept the situation. The next thing to do would be to forgive yourself for allowing your emotions and for being emotional. You should be completely mindful of what you are feeling and realize that these emotions are okay to feel. Try to observe the situation and yourself without any judgment. You should also be able to see the situation through the eyes of someone who is calm and try to view it with a new perspective. Letting it be and allowing it to pass is the most important step. You need to be able to tell yourself that this too shall pass. This situation is going to happen, and that is okay because it will eventually be over. After reflecting on all of this, come back to the current moment and fully move on from the situation.